Okay, so this is just a very quick video on how to print the Fotospeed color management chart for custom profilings through the ColorSync utility on a Mac, as it looks like Tahoe has caused some problems on the latest update from Apple. So this is a way to get around it. So the first thing you need to do is download the custom profiling pack and make sure your chart is in somewhere where you can find it. Mine is on the desktop here. You can see the TC 9.18 chart here. The next thing you need to do is go up to Go and then click on Utilities. And then from there, find the ColorSync utility and double click on it. And then it will open up for you and you'll get this screen with profiles on. Then go to File, then Open, and then click on Open. And then you need to find the chart, which is on your desktop. So we just need to open that up. So I'm just going to go to my desktop, which is in Users. And I will locate the desktop and click on the chart and then click Open. And then the chart is open. Now, the only thing we need to do now is go up to File again at the top. And then click on Print. And then in here, there's a few things we need to do. So we need to select our printer, make sure that is the correct printer we're printing on. Make sure we're on A4 paper, which we are. And then we're in portrait orientation. And then where it says ColorSync Utility, there's a little box where it says color. Now we need to click in here and click on Print as Color Target. And you'll see the preview goes nice and dark, and that's how we want it to look. Then we go down to our printer settings or printer options in this case. So we click on our media type options in here as we normally would, set heavyweight fine art or velvet fine art or whatever you would set this as. So a plus semi-gloss for myself there. And then all we do is click print. And then the chart will print for us. Now it may be when we click on where it says print as color chart, it may be grayed out. So what we need to do is go down to our print options or print settings and go into color matching and make sure it's on the color sync option in here. And you may even need to select a profile at the bottom there just to engage that side of things, that color sync. Then the print as color target will be highlighted for you and you'll be then able to select, everything will be grayed out for you. Select your media type as you normally would, and then click print. So that is how you print the color target through the ColorSync utility on a Mac and get through and get around this little problem at the minute where we can't use the Adobe Color Printer Utility.